plugs in if you haven't already. A Savannah Zvezda tradition to drown out the Euroleague anthem. It's the 8-time and reigning champions of Serbia against the record 21-time champions of France. A 6-time Adriatic champion against a former semi-finalist in this competition. It's Savannah Zvezda against Asvel-a, and it is ear-shattering to start the new Turkish Airlines Euroleague season. There is not a soul who isn't shaking. They are testing out the foundations of the Stark Arena. They are testing out the nerve of this Asvel team. The record French champions walk into the cauldron. The red and white side of the city of basketball returning to the Stark Arena. Ferocious fans who've multiplied, producing deafening decibels, and they will pour out their passion in a bid to rule their team towards an opening night win. A baptism of fire for Asvel, full of several experienced NBAers who haven't yet played in the Euroleague.